Hi guys. So in my quest to find some sort of way of homing using carbide motion instead of UGS or something else, I figured I'd try the Mac version, 4.8, the version that hasn't been released officially but it's somewhere. Anyway, so what I've done, just blue tacked on a little bit of work and used my homemade probe, positioned the end mill pretty close to the end of it, and it's just all blue tacked in place. Obviously if you're doing this for real, don't use blue tack. And we're just going to see what happens when we run the program and see how it works. So first off, I'll just set everything to 0 all, click done. And watching the videos online, I've seen, they position it very close to the datum. There's a little circle on the probe that carbide will be offering, hopefully, and you kind of click a couple of buttons. So if I click on probe from the work probing, you can choose which ones to do. We're just going to do all three. See what happens. I'll select a 1/4 end mill, which is about right, and we click begin probing. Okay, so it went down the Z. It's giving it some clearance. Oh, he's going for it. You see the piece move slightly then, but that's probably down to the fact it's blue tacked in place. Oh, look at that magic go. Right. Okay, so it's just moved there at the end. Obviously I've got a nut in place, but it probed on a non-active probe. It's reset all the positions to 0 on the X, 0 to the Y, and 28 on the Z. I'm a bit confused about the Z axis because 28 is pretty high, so there's obviously a few bugs in it, but it probed. I'll click on done there to see what that looks like. Yeah, so other than the Z being up by 28, obviously that's a clearance height there, but why is X and Y being set to 0? Don't know. Probably a question for the boffins over at Carbide Motion. Can we do anything with it now? Don't know. It's interesting though, isn't it? Anyway, enough of my ramblings. The probing works. You'd obviously need a probe of the correct size, but yeah, it works. Let's see what we can do. Cheers.